Good morning, dear students. Today we are beginning the chapter 11, which is Life in the Deserts. Before moving further in the chapter, let's see what is a desert. So, desert is an area or a region which is characterized by extremely high or low temperatures and has scarce vegetation. Scarce means when something is lacking or insufficient there. There are two types of deserts found in the world. First one is hot desert, the other one is cold desert. Hot deserts are found in tropical region. You know what is a tropical region? So it is the part of the earth's surface between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. The example of hot desert is Sahara Desert. Whereas cold deserts are found in altitudes of the temperate regions. Let's learn some interesting facts of Sahara Desert. Sahara Desert is the largest hot desert in the world, which covers nearly the whole of North Africa, an area about 8.6 million square kilometer. People living here are often called the ocean without water because there is scarcity of water. Let's see how is the climate of Sahara Desert. The climate of the Sahara Desert is scorching hot and dry because it has short rainy season, and since the sky is cloudless, blue clear skies are there, the water evaporation is greater than the rate of water accumulation. So because of that, there is water scarcity. However, the nights may be sometimes, no, they are freezing cold with temperatures nearing 0 degrees Celsius. The Sahara Desert is marked by large stony plains, rocky plateau, sand sheets are there, sand dunes. Plains and plateaus are sometimes marked by the presence of volcanic massives. So massives are kind of mountains. The sand sheets or dunes are they cover 25% of the Sahara Desert. Crescent-shaped barcons are found here. In our previous chapters, we have already discussed what are barcons. So they are crescent-shaped, small dunes are there. River Nile flows through the eastern edge of the desert, and it is joined by its tributary. So River Nile, which is the longest river in Africa, its tributaries are Gazelle, Blue Nile, and Atbara. Let's see what is the flora of the Sahara Desert. That is the vegetation. The plants which grow in Sahara Desert requires less amount of water since there is no as such regular rainfall is there, so there is lack of water every time. The plants which grow here has comparatively the requirement is comparatively less, and usually the roots of the plants which grow in Sahara deserts are quite longer so that they can reach to the underground water sources. The vegetation in Sahara Desert includes like cactuses are there, shrubs, trees, woody plants of the desert, like including the acacia, date palm, olive, cypress, and thyme. Acacia is the in Hindi we call it in Hindi this tree is known as babul ka ped. Okay, so this is the kind of flora found in Sahara Desert. Now let's learn more interesting facts about the wildlife of the Sahara Desert. The wildlife of Sahara Desert has nearly 300 species of birds, including migratory ones. Migratory ones means the birds who migrate. They have reptiles such as lizards, chameleons, cobras are also found in the rocks and the dunes, sand dunes. And it also includes Cape Hare, Barbary sheep, wild ass, baboon, mongoose, common jackal, and much more are there. So this is the wildlife of Sahara Desert. If we talk about the people living in Sahara Desert, so mainly there are two groups of people found in Sahara Desert. The first one is the nomads and the agriculturalists. You already know what are nomads and who are nomads. Nomads are the group of people who keep on moving from one place to other with their animals. They don't have their permanent houses. Whereas the agriculturists are the people who are engaged in the activities of agriculture. They cultivate the land and grows crops on it. Till now, we have seen what is the flora of Sahara Desert and about its wildlife, what is the kind of climate found there. Now we will learn some interesting fact about the people who are living in Sahara Desert. You must be wondering, how do people live in the Sahara Desert? I mean, how do they survive when they have water scarcity? The vegetation found there is also not that rich, but they still live there, and good population resides in Sahara Desert. So, despite its harsh climate, it is inhabited by various groups of people. So, the two groups are there which resides in Sahara Desert: the Bedouins and Tuaregs. These groups are nomadic tribes rearing livestock such as goats, sheep, camels, and horses. Nomadic tribes means, they keep on moving from one place to another with their animals, and how do they earn their livelihood? By engaging in activities of livestock such as goats, sheep, camels, horses. These animals provide them with milk and hides them, from which they make leather for belts, slippers, etc. So you know what are the advantages of livestocking animals. Taurics are also known as the blue men of the desert. This is the other kind of community of people found in Sahara Desert. The name is Taurics. So they are often called blue men. Why? Because the cloth that they wear, they are blue colored. Their robes, which they tie around, they are generally dyed in indigo blue color. So basically, no matter how harsh the climate is here, but the human body or human beings, they adapt according to the temperature or the climate found in the places. The Teda or Tubo of the Tibesti area are camel herders and are known for their physical strength. Tubo are the Saharan group of people. These are the ethnic group inhabiting northern Chad. So they live there, and the agriculturists live in the oasis and practice farming. Since agriculturists are associated with agriculture activities, so they practice farming. And if you see this picture, a Taurid man, this is the kind of clothes that they wear, and if you can see the robe and clothes they are wearing, it is of blue color. Let's learn some of the interesting facts of the economy of the Sahara Desert. These are the facts which you need to memorize or understand. The Sahara Desert is very rich in minerals. So, minerals such as iron, manganese, uranium are found here. It has huge resources of coal, oil, and natural gas. The major fields of natural gas are found in Algeria, and coal is found in Morocco. So, this is all about the economy of the Sahara Desert. It is said that many areas are turning into deserts due to deforestation, overcultivation, and overgrazing. This leads to desertification. Desertification refers to the process of fertile land becoming unproductive because the land struggles to grow any type of vegetation due to lack of minerals and nutrients in the soil. If you can see this picture, this is the desertification of Sahara Desert. You can see there is drought all over there.